Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change gesture shortcuts on Clevetura CLVX S. Let's begin. By default, the gesture shortcuts, which are the three fingers up, down, left and right, something like this, are built in and they are called windows. Of course, you can also do a couple of different things with them. For example, we can go and play around with the Alt-Tab-like experience, and unfortunately it disables the application, which is kind of funny. But in order to change the shortcuts, you want to simply go into gestures here. And as you can see, we have the 3-finger and 4-finger essentially giving us 5 different shortcuts. Now we can change the whole presets. So for example, we can change the audio and volume, which as you can see looks like this. As you can see, the entire shortcuts are now changed, and if we use 3 fingers to go up, we are, well, actually 3 fingers, not 4 fingers, please. We can use it to increase or decrease the volume, and if we add 4th finger, we can see that it's still going to change this. But we can always change this to the 4th finger as well. So for example, now we can use it as arrow keys. Even though technically we do have arrow keys right here, well, who says we cannot? But of course we can customize it even further by not changing the preset, but specific shortcuts. So for example, in the volume up and the previous track, we can change the volume up to completely something else. We can even add custom keyboard shortcuts to these gestures here to fully customize it, especially if you tend to, for example, draw or like edit videos or basically do anything else. Having a keyboard shortcut that you can use to basically anything, with even the ability to enable single or continuous, is incredible for customization. And I believe that this is basically all for the video. All the changes you're going to make are going to apply the moment you're going to make them, which means that if we will change this tab to open quick settings to something else, like let's say mute, we can just tap 3 fingers here, and now our sound should be muted. So let me test that. Let's tap. And oh, I forgot, you don't really see the volume bar, but basically it worked, which I believe is really cool. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.